Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and running quick diagnostics. This prevents wasted troubleshooting. First, check SCP and SSH versions on both ends so you know compatibility. Next, SSH into the destination to verify network and authentication work. If SSH fails, SCP will too. Then inspect the target path, permissions, and disk-free space. An inaccessible target often triggers memory access errors. Once done, gather logs or reproduce the error with V for the next stage. You now reproduce and isolate the fault so you can focus on the real cause. Run SCP with VVV to capture detailed debug output. Look for memory allocation calls or abrupt connection drops. Then try transferring a tiny file and a large file to see if size matters, and change target directories to rule out file system issues. Also test SFTP or rsync. If they succeed, the problem is SCP-specific. Make sure to save logs for pattern analysis. Before changing code or configs, you apply the only reliable fix. Update or patch the SCP implementation and related libraries, because memory access violations usually stem from buggy binaries or mismatched crypto libraries. First, update OpenSSH and OpenSSL from trusted repositories or apply vendor hotfixes. If you built from source, recompile cleanly and reinstall. Once updated, rerun your verbose transfers, monitor system logs and memory usage, and validate with multiple file sizes. If problems persist, roll back to a known good version and escalate with collected logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.